In this video, we will learn about inheritance in Java. Inheritance, you can create new classes that are built on existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you reuse its methods or inherit its methods. And you can add new methods and fields to adapt your new class to new situation. Inheritance provides the idea of reusability. Example, a code once written can be used again and again in a number of new classes. The class that does the inheriting is called a subclass of the class from which it inherits. If class child is a subclass of class parent, it can also be said that the class parent is a superclass of class child. If we need to define child class as subclass of parent, then we need to use keyword extends to denote inheritance. The keyword extends indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. The existing class is called the superclass, base class, or parent class. The term superclass and subclass are those most commonly used, but some also prefer the parent or child. Let's see an example of creating a superclass called parent and a subclass called child. Also, notice how we will use the keyword extends a subclass of parent. I will create a new class over here in this package. Java class. And call it parent parent class. In parent class, I will have two instance variable a and b, and will define a function void print values. It will print the values of a and b. Use system dot out dot println and pass in value of a and b. Those values are a plus and some space and then b. Now, now I will create another class called child class that will extend this parent class. Now our child class need to extend parent class, so I'm gonna do extends parent class, and in child class I will have instance variable integer c and one function print all values, void print all values. In this function I will print the value of c and also the instance variables value over here from parent class. I need to give some value to these variables over here, so I'll assign like 10. I will assign them later, these values, in our main function when I create them. So over here I will come back to those child class and print all values. Here we are just going to print all the values such as also print line such as value of a, b, and c. Now notice over here that a and b are defined in a parent class, but when we extend our parent class, this class child class, when extend parent class, then we have access to the members of parent class also. So we can access a and b inside child class. So let's go back to our child class, and here say a a plus b plus c is all right. Just gonna add over here, and a plus b plus c. Here you can see it didn't give us any error, and it's we are able to access a and b from our parent class. Now I will go to another our inheritance test class. There I will create an object of parent class and child class in the main function. This class is for testing. So I'm just gonna do first create a parent class to show that parent class can also be used as an independent parent. New parent class. We we are able to create object of parent class, and now I'm going to create child class object. Child class, child, new child class, and here we have now the child class. We can set the value of parent class variable first, then we will set the value of child class. So we can access parent dot a and set its value to 100, and then parent b parent dot b to access variable b of parent class and set its value to 200. And now I'm just going to call content of superclass, so it's gonna be system dot out dot println values values of variables in parent class. I will print the value of A and B. It's gonna be system dot out dot print y value of A equals NA and this is gonna be parent dot A and PRI. Just gonna copy from here and print the value of B2 B parent B, and over here B. We need to run this program and check our output. To run our program, just right click and run. We can see the in the output we are able to set the values of parent class, and now we'll set value by child class. So need to create the object of child. We already have object of child class, and now we will access the variable parent class A and set its value to 300, and then child dot b, which is also from parent, will set value to 400, and then child dot c and set its value to 500. I can just call child class print all values over here. I don't need to add, just gonna print all those values. So it's gonna be A plus space and then some space. I'm just changing some code in child class, and here is what is missing over here. There's extra this one bracket. So we just need to print the value. So uh, all these three variables, two are from parent class AB and the C is from child class. So I will call this function after setting the values. Over here I will call child dot and then call this out. It will print values for us, values of A, B, and C. Now we just need to run the program. I will also print a message that these are the value from child class. Values available in child class. So right click on it and run. In the output we can see it also printed the value of A, B, and C from child class. So we can access the instance variable, the public instance variable of parent class in child class. If you like our video and want to learn more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.